Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying accounts and connectivity so activation can proceed. Sign into the same Apple ID on both iPhone and Mac. This lets Apple link iMessage. Once signed in, make sure Wi-Fi or Ethernet is stable because iMessage activation needs network access. If Apple requests two-factor authentication, enable it. This secures the link and often resolves activation blocks. Now open Messages on the Mac. You're ready for the next configuration step, and to confirm settings converge between devices. Now you configure services that exchange messages. On the Mac, open Messages, go to Preferences, then iMessage. Sign in or click Sign out and back in to refresh the token. This often fixes stale authentication. Next, open FaceTime and verify the same Apple ID is active because FaceTime and Messages share activation infrastructure. On your iPhone, go to Settings, right arrow Messages, right arrow text message forwarding, and enable your Mac so SMS can route through. Once done, finish by forcing a clean restart and verifying system clocks so tokens validate correctly. Restart your Mac and iPhone after signing in and enabling forwarding. This clears cached errors and prompts reactivation. Make sure date and time are set to automatic on both devices because mismatched clocks break secure activation. If iMessage still reports needs to be enabled, sign out of your Apple ID on the Mac, wait 30 seconds, then sign back in. This refresh can clear activation failures. One key troubleshooting tip: ensure carrier SMS is working on the iPhone because activation uses SMS beneath the hood.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.